Casspi missed that because he quick shot it. How about this steal?
Bounds out with the steal. Running with Jordan Bell. He throws the lob, and he crams it home. Steph Curry catch and shoot. Drops in the three.
See, Chris Dunn is a great on-the-ball defender.
Broken jaw. Portis was suspended. He's been back 6 games from the suspension. Klay Thompson, a very deep three. Well out, and Steph Curry range. Iguodala, Curry, and Sean Livingston. The rotations will be odd tonight. As Looney able to guide that home and draw the foul. Bulls beating the Warriors. That would have been Chicago's first championship because both those teams were better than Washington. Iguodala dunked that down and drew the foul. Now, he had the layup, he had the three, he's hunting. He hides behind West, his three is gone.
Everybody's back, doesn't bother him.
He's trying to stay with them. Steph with the left hand, the flip, the foul. Young setting up Klay, dropped it for Curry, and there it is. 30 in the half, 25 in the quarter. Into elite status the last couple of years. Great players don't have
He hits this.
back-to-back games. He's 1 of 9 in OKC.
Well, they're 3-13.
Record-wise, but
okay. But guess what? They've got good culture here, and they've got a terrific coach in front.
Jordan Bell blocking Valentine.
Number 4 block tonight.